Welcome to English grammar class. In this class, we are going to know about types of verbs. Before going to know about types of verbs, let us see what is meant by a verb. The traditional definition of a verb is a word which is used to express action, describe a state of being or position is called a verb. A verb usually means action. Apart from action, the verb carries tense with it. Example: the dog bit the man. In this example, the word bit is a verb. It tells about action. In the second example, she is a smart girl. In this sentence, is a verb. It tells about the state of being. In the third example, she has a car. Has is a verb. It tells about possession. Kinds of verbs. There are 8 kinds of verbs. They are regular verbs, irregular verbs, finite verbs, non-finite verbs, auxiliary verbs, helping verbs, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs. In this class, we are going to know about these 8 kinds of verbs. Regular verbs. Past participle forms are formed with the help of ed or t. Example: dance, danced, danced. Learn, learnt, lent. Irregular verbs. Past participle forms are formed with change of vowels. Example: take, took, taken. Finite verbs. These verbs are tense carrying verbs. Example: go, went, gone. For example, they went to school. By observing this sentence, we come to know that the thing is happened yesterday. So that these kind of verbs are called finite verbs. Non-finite verbs. These are tenseless verbs. For example, to play, to go. Example: I wish to go to Hyderabad. Auxiliary verbs. These verbs add force or emotion to the action verb. Example: can, could, shall, should. Helping verbs. There are 3 kinds of helping verbs. They are do forms, be forms, have forms. Do, does, did are do forms. Is, am, are, was, were are be forms. Have, has, had are have forms. These are all called helping verbs. Transitive verbs. The verbs which take objects are called transitive verbs. Example: he plays cricket. In this sentence, cricket is object. So, we can say play is a transitive verb. Intransitive verbs. The verbs without objects are called intransitive verbs. For example, he plays well. There is no object in the sentence. So, in this sentence, play is intransitive verb. I hope all of you understood about types of verbs. In the next video, we will learn about main verbs and helping verbs in detail. Please subscribe my channel.